Welcome to Spitzer Buick GMC Findlay. And here's a look at another one of our great vehicles for sale, and comes equipped with paddle shift manual controls, Bluetooth smartphone integration, Chevrolet infotainment premium audio system, ventilated driver and front passenger seats, keyless entry, Chevrolet infotainment 3 premium audio system, Bose premium audio system, AM/FM Sirius XM radio, Chevrolet infotainment 3 Plus system, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and has less than 20,000 miles on the odometer. Saving you more since 1904. The Spitzer family of dealerships is proud to provide our friends and neighbors with the best purchasing and owning experience in Ohio. We have a friendly staff and provide a fun atmosphere for our guests, and we offer the best value for the lowest price. So give us a call or stop by Spitzer Buick GMC Findlay today, where our world revolves around you.